Welcome back everybody. Here I'm just going to the Notepad++ and actually here I just opened that, and what I'm just going to do here, one thing more, that I just typed here the posts. I'm just typing here, oh not here, actually here, the new post and the category. So instead of the simple dashboard, we have to change it. I'm just adding, oh not the list, actually pencil. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that, and when I just click on new post, I got the new post option, the pencil. Okay, so I'm just using the sign off edit. Okay, this is another icon which is looking perfect for the new category. When I just click on new post, now I got the new category with link and new post with link, oh sorry, not link, actually the icon. So this is perfect now. Well, the other thing is which I just want to teach you in this class, I'm just opening the notepad back, and actually I'm just going after this column. I'm just going to create another column, the div, and here in this column what I'm just going to do, adding a class and just typing col 10. Save that and go to the browser to refresh, and actually I just created that, but actually I'm not watching because this is totally empty, the col LG10. So by the way, or I think it should be the LG8. Okay, by the way, now inside that I'm just going to create another div, and I'm just adding a class. Actually I just want to create some blocks here. Okay, so I'm just creating the class of col md 3. Okay, now save that and actually go inside this, and what I'm just going to do, just creating a panel here. Okay, here I'm just adding the class of panel. Perfect. Now just go inside the panel, and here I'm just adding another div. Okay, which should be the panel heading. Here I'm just adding the class of this, the panel heading. Okay, save that. Now inside that, just creating a raw. Okay, here I'm just putting the class and just typing the raw. Okay, now inside this single raw, I'm just going to create some more things. First of all, in this column I just created a raw, and in this raw I'm just creating some more columns. So adding the class here. Now these columns should be extra small. Okay, so extra small, and I'm just setting 3, and inside that I'm just creating an I. Okay, you know the mean of I, actually I'm just thinking to add the glyph icon again, glyph, and space, another thing is glyph icon. Okay, now signal, I'm just setting the signal sign. So go to the browser and refresh that. Now I just created this thing, okay, which is actually nothing now, but obviously I'll just create some more things in the same raw. Okay, after this column I'm just creating another column, class, and I'm just typing col xs and 9. Okay, I just created the col xs 9, and inside this xs, in this column actually I'm just creating 2 more divs. Okay, and here in the first one I'm just typing for example 20. Okay, and the other one I'm just typing posts. Save that. Now go to the browser and refresh that. This is what I just created. So what I'm just going to do more here, I'm just creating, adding a style tag, and I'm just typing the font size. What size I'm just putting, approximately 4.5 EM is perfect for me. So save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the size which I just created. Perfect. So what I'm just going to do more, actually here I'm just adding a style here as well, and what I'm just typing here in this style, I'm just typing the font size again, and I'm typing the 2.5 EM. Save that and refresh that. Now this is the thing, or the better thing is if I just type 4.5 here and 2.5 here and save that and refresh that again, and actually this is mesmerizing because of its bad look. By the way, here I'm just adding another thing and typing another class, the text on right. Okay, This is a class which actually can make our text on right. So refresh that. Now my text is on right side. Now this is looking a perfect thing, by the way, but some more things I'm just adding now. Actually, this row has been completed now, and after the panel heading, I'm just adding the panel, not the body, okay, directly the panel footer. And here I'm just typing the class panel footer. Okay, so here I'm just typing view posts. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that, and this is what I just made. Okay, and actually I'm just going back to there, and what I just want to do, I'm just adding an a tag here, href, and at this time this only has an hash, and actually I'm just covering the a tag and just cutting this footer, the panel footer, and pasting the panel footer inside this a tag, and going to the browser back and refreshing that. Now actually this has a specific link, which is the perfect just that I want. So what more I just want to do here, I'm just doing adding another divs here and ending that div and going there on the first one and just adding a class of pull left. Okay, save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Okay, this is perfect. But one more thing which I just want to add here, the pull right, and actually in the pull right I'm just adding V only at this moment. Okay, and go to the browser and refresh that. This is the V, and then just add a class of clearfix. Okay, so you know the clearfix, what the clearfix can do, actually this is the clear both, and it can solve the problem of floating. Now this is perfect. Okay, so instead of the V I'm just adding an I. Okay, here I'm just setting an I again, means another icon here. I'm just adding the class of glyph icon, press any space and again type glyph icon, and now circle arrow left. Okay, I'm just talking about the left arrow which has a circle. Refresh that. Now this is the thing which I just want to create. Okay, this is actually the ratio that how much post we have the 20 post, so it is looking perfect. So I'm going to the notepad here and I'm just typing, I'm just adding some more things. First of all, I'm just adding the panel, and actually I'm just adding the style with the panel class, the panel default style. Refresh that and this is a default panel style, looking perfect but not really interesting. It means I have to do some more things here. But by the way, one thing more I'm just doing, I'm just changing the panel MD3 to MD4. So let's just refresh that. Now the size is a little bit increased and looking more beautiful, and just decreasing the size of this area. So I'm just going here, I'm just typing the LG9 and this should be LG2. Now save that and refresh that. This is too much small, so let's just do the same, the previous one. Okay, this is perfect. But something more which I have to do here, you know that this post is actually just touching the top area, so I'm just going here, and what I'm just doing, actually just simply inside this LG column, I'm just copying this div, the blank div, and just pasting it inside this LG8 and saving and refreshing that. Now I got some space here, actually 50 pixel space at the top, so that is perfect. But what if I just type the panel primary instead of panel default and just go to the browser and refresh that? Now this is looking more interesting. Or I can type the danger as well, save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is another color of the panel. Okay, so I'll do some more things in the next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.